Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jon Belcher, aka J Discreet. Out in Costa Rica right now at the hotel pool in San Jose. It's a beautiful day out here. If you ever come to Costa Rica, make sure to come between the months of December and April, because usually it's not sunny outside like it is today. Like today was like the first sunny day we had, and I've been here the last 3 days and it's the first sunny day we had. You know what I mean? Make sure to stream J Discreet music on all streaming platforms. J Discreet, Jaydis space CRETE. Check out my music, give me feedback, let me know what you think. Yeah, so I'm out here just chilling, you know, having a mimosa, enjoying life. 300 to freedom, you know, we about freedom, traveling the world, you know, enjoying ourselves, living life on our own terms, doing what we love to do. Like, that's what it's all about. But how to make money from home, like, that's the title. You already know it. That's the title of this video, baby. Like, how to make money from home. To make money from home, you gotta find a way to get traffic. And one of the best ways in this era for you to generate traffic is through social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You know, that's how to make money from home. And also, you could be a content creator, right? You could choose to be on TikTok as well as YouTube, and you could just make money from ad clicks. You could grow your channel to the point where you're making money from sponsorships from other companies willing to pay you for promoting their products. Really, at the end of the day, there's so many ways to make money from home, you know? It's not just one way to skin a cat, you know what I'm saying? It's not just one way to skin a cat. Don't let nobody lie to you and tell you there's only one way to do things. It's not just one way to skin a cat. So once you establish how to get traffic, a lot of traffic every day on a certain social media platform, what you have to do is you got to establish yourself a sales funnel, right? Like, sales funnels are magical. You know what I'm saying? I know this information because I have a background in affiliate marketing. I've been making money online for years, so I know the ins and outs of it. I know how it works. You know what I'm saying? So a sales funnel is very powerful. So what is a sales funnel at the end of the day, right? Like, that's important, like, to find out what is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is where, like a funnel, right? A funnel starts off wide at the top, and then it squeezes down at the bottom, and it gets narrow at the bottom, right? So it's like a funnel that you use for putting oil in your car, for example, right? You see how the funnel starts off wide, but then it gets skinny at the bottom to target the oil into your engine. So we're making money online. The widest part of the funnel, the biggest part of the funnel, the opening of the funnel, is the traffic you're getting, right? Like, how many visitors are coming to your stuff? You know what I'm saying? Like, how many visitors are coming to your videos? You feel me? Like, that's the traffic. Now, the next phase of your sales funnel would most likely be like a capture page, or, you know what I'm saying, like a landing page. You know what I mean? A landing page where you're receiving some type of information from the visitors you get. You're receiving some type of information, right? And that information can be an email, a phone number, maybe the person's name. And then after that point, that visitor may be able to see a sales page of what you're selling, you know, or what you're offering, you know. And then from there, they will have the ability to make a buying decision. It's 300 to freedom, baby. Drop a comment below if you're learning information already, if you're getting value from this video already in just 4 minutes. Drop a comment below. Let me know. We out in Costa Rica, baby. We enjoying life. That's what we doing, you know. We living the dream, you know. We not just talking about it. We living the dream. I can't wait till I get back to New York so I can hit the studio and record some new music. I can't wait to get back to New York, get back home. I gotta record some new music. I got a lot of new music coming on the way. But yeah, like, so once the person sees your sales page, they have the ability to buy. They have the ability to see what you're offering and see how they could benefit from your product, from your service, whatever it is, But also, remember, in a sales funnel, you're supposed to be storing information from your interested visitors. You need a way to keep in contact with your visitors. It's just like if you're a man, right? And you're trying to get to know a woman. You're trying to establish a relationship with a woman. Don't you need her number? Don't you need some kind of contact information from her to be able to talk to her, to build a relationship, to build a rapport? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is elementary shit. Like, obviously you need information to keep in contact with those people who show they're interested in what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? And what we doing on the 300 to Freedom movement, we getting rich. That's what we doing. We getting rich every day. We making money. And we living out our dreams, doing what we love to do, doing music, doing content creation, doing advertisement, doing marketing. Like, yo, we doing what we love to do, It's not about living life on somebody else's terms all the time. You could really live life to the fullest when you living it on your terms. That's the key to it, is get to a point where you living life on your terms. Now you can see, I'm gonna show you the pool real quick. You got some people in the pool, enjoying the pool. Feel me? We at the hotel, man. We having a good time, So that's how it goes. And then once you store the information you get from interested visitors, you can create a deeper connection with these people, with these leads. They call them leads. Another name for information is leads, right? So that's how it works. It's best to keep your business simple. Don't make it complicated where it takes a rocket scientist to understand what the fuck your business is about. Nah. That's not what business is about. You know what I'm saying? Like, business is about being simple and serving your customers in the best way possible. Customer service is number one. Customer service is extremely important. That's why Amazon is a $1 billion company. Amazon is a $1 billion company because they focus on making their customers happy. And that's what we do in the 300 to Freedom Club and the 300 to Freedom Academy. We focus on making our customers happy. We serve our customers. We give our customers value. We give our customers knowledge. We teach our customers. We got music. We got a lot of things going on. You know what I'm saying? And that's just what it is. So having a mimosa by the pool, poolside mimosa, baby. But yeah, if you want to get in contact with me, if you want to be a part of the 300 to Freedom Academy and you enjoy learning, you enjoy knowledge, if you enjoy taking your life to the next level, if you enjoy living life on your own terms, if you enjoy traveling, if you enjoy reaching your greatest potential in life, all you got to do is check out the links in the description below. That's all you got to do. It's Jon Belcher, aka Jada's Cree. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I know you can do it. Even if nobody else believes in you, I believe in you. Even if nobody else believes in you, I believe in you. So check out the links in the description if you want to get connected with me, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you could be notified whenever I release new content. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with 5 people you know. But yeah, so back to what we was talking about. So a percentage of the visitors that you get to see your product or your sale or your offer, a certain percentage of them are gonna buy. a certain percentage of them are going to decide right now that they want your product. They're going to decide right now that they want your service. They're going to decide right now that they want to change their life. Because a lot of people, they're just sick and tired of, you know, earning the minimum. A lot of people are sick and tired of just getting by. A lot of people are sick and tired of barely making it. You know, a lot of people are sick and tired of a job, just over broke. So they're gonna make a decision to get started with you. So now let's say you have a product, right? And your product is $50. And every time you sell that product, let's just say, for example, it's $30 profit you make every time you sell the product, right? $30 profit. The product is $50, but every time you sell it, you earn $30. Let's say, for example, right? So if you get 5 sales in one day, if you get 5 sales of that product in one day, that's 5 times 30. That's $150 profit you made in just one day. If you're making $150 profit in just one day, in a lot of countries, you'll be able to live life luxuriously. In a lot of countries, you'll be able to live life without struggling. Imagine waking up in the morning in your hotel room or in your big home, and you just made an extra $150 and you didn't even do nothing yet. You didn't do no work. You didn't punch a clock. You didn't clock in. Imagine that. 5 times 30, that's $150, right? And this is how to make money from home. It's simple math, you know what I'm saying? It's simple math, baby. It's simple math. It's simple math. You know what I mean? See the, I didn't mean to show that guy, but yeah, you see the trees and everything. My man all up in my video, you know what I mean? Like, come on, bruh. Why you all up in my video like that, bruh? What's going on, bruh? Yeah, you see? But yeah, it's simple math. So you might be selling a product where it's $50 and you earning all the profits. So that's 50 times 5. If you get average 5 sales per day, that's $250. Or just 3 sales, right? If you're earning $50 profit and you averaging 3 sales per day, that's $150. So keep it simple. When it comes to how to make money from home, keep it simple, right? And you can have different ways to make money from home. It don't gotta just be from selling a product. It could also be from ad clicks. It can also be from your sponsorship deal. It can also be from you selling music. It could also be from you selling merchandise. You know what I'm saying? Speaking of merchandise, if you want to support my channel, check out all the merchandise below this video and buy a sweater, you know, buy a hat, buy something you like if you want to support my channel. If you feel like my channel is valuable and you want to support what I'm doing, all you gotta do is click on one of the products and you purchase it and it'll be shipped to your house. It's really that simple. I don't run no scam operations. Everything I do is legit, baby. I keep it 100 with you. I keep it real with you. From the beginning to the end, I keep it real with you. You know? So it's 300 to freedom, baby. 300 to freedom. We ain't never gonna stop. We getting rich. I'ma see you at the top. Get connected with me. All the links is below. Peace.